Hey, Shawn, are you getting ready to go to the construction site?
I need 2 drills.
You need 2 drills, okay.
Yeah, or as you get tight. So.
Does your underwear make a good tool belt?
Daddy, watch how high I can get this one. I can get this one like.
You gonna try to get the wrench in there?
Man, I like this. Like a big block. I can do a big.
Let me see. How many tools do you have in there now?
1, 2.
How many?
1, 2, 3.
3 tools?
I need a drill.
I think you have the blue drill. Right? What are you going to be fixing once you go to the construction site?
Fix the broken part.
The broken parts?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm ready to go.
You ready to go?
I also need a scooter.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll see you later. I love you.